Hi, I'm Tim Hogan with Steel City Drones. I'm here with Rob Brooks and Joseph Smith, my partners. We just finished up an intensive training for the last 3 days on the Discovery platform. It's been a tremendous time. We've learned a lot, and we're ready to get back to the Southeast to start really getting this thing moving.
The reseller training by SmartDrone has been great. It's been very informative. The whole SmartDrone team was great, helped a lot. I learned a lot, and I'm anxious to get back and put this work into the field.
The doors that have opened up because of the technology is amazing. Now I'm involved with SmartDrones as a reseller. The product for me is a huge leap forward as far as the processing, the ease to getting it open and out in the field, up and flying, coming back, landing and recovering data, processing in the field. We're talking something that would take even beforehand, hours, if not a day or two, I can do within minutes, if not an hour or two.